Hello friends, welcome to 2 minutes concept class of physics. In the last video we studied rotational motion. In this video we will study oscillatory motion. If a body in rotational motion executes to and fro motion about a fixed reference point, it is said to have an oscillatory motion. A motion which is repeating itself is referred to as periodic or oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is nothing but the to and fro, that is back and forth repeated motion of a body about a mean position. The oscillatory motion would keep on going forever whenever there is an absence of friction. But as we can see in the real world, the motion eventually stops by coming to equilibrium. Every oscillatory motion is simple harmonic in character and continues due to the interaction of inertia and elasticity. An object in such oscillatory motion oscillates about an equilibrium position due to a restoring force or torque. Oscillatory motion is always periodic, but a periodic motion may or may not be oscillatory. There are many examples in our day-to-day lives of oscillatory motion. As you can see, the pendulum of the clock performs oscillatory motion. It is moving to and fro, that is back and forth about the equilibrium position, and the motion is repeated after a fixed interval of time, so it is periodic or oscillatory motion. In the next video we will study periodic motion. Till then, goodbye.